So I've been just keeping my head down and cleaning this morning. I probably did either a voiceover or some music for you guys, but you're probably wondering maybe why I brought these in. I just haven't been using them outside. I may bring them back out, excuse me, but my allergies are getting to me. And I thought, let me try these actually in my master bathroom. I'm gonna be decorating it soon. I actually need to go to Hobby Lobby and get some greenery, and then if you saw in the previous vlog or wherever the clip was, I still haven't, you know, finalized, or I'm exchanging the cream for the white and I haven't returned the cream yet. So yeah, you can just kind of see that this, with everything else I have going on, actually works really well. But again, I don't know, you know, if this is gonna work in this space or not. But I just wanna keep it here so that when I do get to decorating, I have, you know, all the decor that I think I might wanna use, and then just see how it turns out. The same thing with these. I don't know if I mentioned it in a previous vlog or not, but I brought these in from the outside also. I bought it at the at-home store thinking that I was gonna put like potted white flowers in it, but I never found any white flowers that I liked. So real flowers, that is. And so I was like, you know what, why don't I bring it into my bathroom and maybe it'll work in here. And I think I'm gonna put some like wild ferns or something to go with my forest theme. I'm not entirely sure, but if it doesn't work out in here, I'll bring it back outside and, you know, all that stuff. So today is not so much a relaxing day at home, it's a work day at home in terms of getting everything cleaned. So as you can see, I've been in my, you know, workout attire so that, you know, if I'm sweating, it's not a big deal, which I have been sweating. It's pretty humid and hot outside. And yeah, so I got the bedroom. You saw I got the bedroom cleaned. I got the living room cleaned. I have videos I need to film. Here is the cute puppy dog, and Lucy's up to no good, I'm sure.
Look, honey, this is your vacation.
Also, you saw me bring in this piece right here. I keep bringing it in and out of the house. It's hilarious, just because I haven't figured out where I want it to go. And to put it outside, I would have to go through the whole thing of having like my brother come with his tools and put the holes into the bricks so that we could mount this. And then I thought, what if this piece goes above here and then I can decorate, you know, the whole thing with greenery, kind of like I did in the kitchen nook area. And I think this would be really nice because it has pops of brown, has the metal, and it's also like the perfect length to take up, you know, most of this wall space up here. So I'm getting very excited. You can see that there's been a book update. Did I mention this in the past vlog? Probably, but if you missed that, I found some more books upstairs, and this whole thing needs like some reorganization, like a lot. I actually don't have anything organized properly anymore except for Joanna Lindsay. She's fine. And even her stuff, as you can see, I don't know that I want to like double stack on top. But, you know, we're getting there. We're getting there. And yeah, so that's basically it. I recently cleaned the upstairs, although I do need to start the organization of my craft room and bringing holiday stuff out of there. This is gonna be a horrible idea, but I'm gonna go ahead and go jogging. The reason why I say it's a horrible idea, if you haven't been catching all my vlogs, My shins have been hurting, and they hurt right now just standing. So not bright on this channel, but I can't help it. I know it's probably annoying, but it's literally, when I go jogging, it is the most mentally relaxing thing, and that's why I do it. I don't know like why it does that. Maybe I think it's because I'm a multitasker. I'm like constantly like this, and jogging just like takes me down, and I really value that a lot, but I'm not gonna be able to do it right if I'm constantly injuring myself. But I'm gonna stretch as good as I can, and I'm gonna do like a combination of a slow jog and walk. And also I decided to go now because I checked the weather temperatures and it's not gonna get any cooler than what it is right now. So I'm gonna change really quick, show you guys the outfit. I'm gonna stretch, I'm gonna go, and then I don't know what's after this. All right, doing a white on black moment with my white and blue Nikes, this hat. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna go. If you don't hear back from me, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I am literally dripping sweat. I'm almost done, and the sweat is getting in my eyes, which is so gross. I took a nice shower, and I'm gonna need to ice because I'm not even gonna tell you. Trust me, I am just bad about it, but I am gonna do some icing, do some more massaging, some more at-home therapy, because I really haven't been doing anything other than not running on it as my method to get better, but I need to do more. So I'm gonna take a moment, refill my cup for the 3rd time today, and then ice, and I don't know what else. But guess what's on TV?
Waiting for us.
Yep, back on that. She is underrated. She is the star of this show. I imitate her all the time around the house, and my daughter just rolls her eyes at me. All right, you guys, I feel like garbage. Whew. I'm wearing Christmas pants. Listen, okay, I ain't got no mans, so I can do that.
But yeah, I feel, ugh, I don't know what happened. I don't know if it was the sandwich I ate or I took magnesium, and I immediately felt just nauseated. And then I ended up like falling asleep, but the nausea was so on a stronger level that like I still kind of kept in and out of my nap from it, and I still kind of feel kind of queasy, but it's getting a little bit better. And I mean, it couldn't have been the sandwich because I hadn't taken my magnesium in a while, but I took it on a full stomach, so I don't know what happened with it because I've always taken it, but I haven't taken it in a while. But that also has nothing to do with it because I'll go, you know, weeks and then not take it and then take it and I'm just fine. So I don't know. But yeah, so I just feel, and then my hair, you know, this is my crazy natural hair. Some of it's like weird straight, not even straight. I really don't know what's happening to it. So now I'm out here with Locks. It's not time yet to take her out for her evening walk. It's still too hot. She's rolling around, I can tell. Let's go watch her shenanigans. I knew what you were doing. She's like, I ain't got no mans either. Look, she's mad. She gave me the eye. She's like, whose fault is that? Oh. A lot of cute little birds today on the fence. So cute. One thing that I've noticed about this neighborhood, just kind of like comparing it to the last neighborhood, I really haven't seen that many like cardinals or blue jays or, that's not like all the names of birds I know, but I used to see them all the time in my last neighborhood, and I really don't see them here. I don't know why that is. Can y'all hear her? Just, oh y'all, this, anyway. I'm about to watch Jaclyn Hill's Amazon video. I was starting to watch some of it before, and I'm just gonna keep you guys looking at this because we saw what I looked like. This is much prettier. And I was watching part of it before I picked up the camera again. And so I'm gonna finish that, but oh, the more I talk, the worse I feel.